Today, guys, beef chimichangas. That's how we do it. Stay tuned, and you too will be able to make this. All right, guys, we're making beef chimichangas. So, I got beef. I got pinto beans that I refried. They're fresh. Taco meat's done. Got a fresh tortilla here. So, we're going to build it. We're going to build this up. I'm going to put beef in here like that. Okay. Then I'm going to add a layer of cheese like this. Then I'm going to go in with a scoop of beans and spread them out. All right. Now I'm a cheese freak, so I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese. Now we're going to wrap this up, fold this up like this, bring it in, tuck it in, bam. All right, guys. Final touches. We're going to go to the stove. We're going to fry this up. See you there. All right, guys. In the pan, the side that when you folded it, you got that little lip on the bottom of it. Put that one down first. We'll get that down nice and crispy, and then we're going to just keep on turning it till it's golden brown. And when we're done with that, we'll plate it up with some fresh beans, some Spanish rice, and over here on the stove, I got some enchilada sauce. So we're going to turn this into a smothered burrito. Everything will be down in the description, as you know. So I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, guys, it's nice and brown, so I'm going to take it out. And this chimichanga is done. I'll see you at the plating table. What's up, y'all? Final product, chimichangas, beef done. Going in for the taste test. Oh, listen to that. Look at this. This gooey mess. So delicious. Damn, that's good. You have to try this, folks. See you next time.